Tailwind is one of my favorite tools for marketing and helping you with content creation. It has an awesome platform dashboard here where it gives you tips on things you could be doing to post and grow your business. But what I want to show you today is using the Ghostwriter AI tool here. I'm going to use this for creating a YouTube title, but I really like that it tells you all different kinds of use cases so you can click on the thing that is most useful to you. You can even create full blog outlines and articles here, Facebook posts, email subject lines, and everything that you could possibly need to help grow your business. But I'm going to go down to the YouTube video title. And I just created a quick Canva tutorial, so I'm going to ask Tailwind to help me come up with a title for my YouTube video. So this is using Canva Pro's magic tools to show how to edit a photo using Magic Grab. Let's see what it comes up with. And you can also choose keywords and phrases. If you're targeting specific SEO, you can enter that in here. And so I'm going to see what my options are and see if I want to use any of them in my title. So can you edit photos like magic? That's kind of cool. Step-by-step guide. Magic grab it. That's cool. Because I didn't go completely into editing photos in full. I'm just going to choose this one because it talks about the magic grab specifically. And so I'm going to copy that. And now I'm going to go over to my YouTube and just paste my article. After I have pasted my title and my video onto my YouTube, I also want to have a video description. So from here, I can actually just paste in the title that I copied from above. And I can actually add an external link if I want to here. So do I want to add an external link here? Maybe later I could do that. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to do generate description. And then it is going to offer me a quick, easy description that I can choose to copy, edit, use however I would like to. So are you a photographer? Okay, I don't really know that it's necessarily a photographer thing. So I'm just going to take that part out. With Canva Pro's Magic Grab, you can edit photos with just a few clicks. No complicated software required. That's cool. Watch this video. Yeah, that works. With Canva Pro, you can edit. Take your photos. Yeah, I'm going to use this, but I'm going to take out the photographer piece when I paste it below. But overall, it's pretty awesome and easy to use.